We are proud to present the new development seeds packing automatic machine with increased capacity up to 42 packages per minute. The main benefit is a combined weighing and counting dosing unit, providing a laboratory-precise dosing with dose weighting readability from non-0.1 gram and counting dosing with 1 piece accuracy. 6 vibration hoppers, 6 flows with the possibility to pack a different seeds quality, regardless of size and form, with easy and quick settings by weighing and counting. Optionally, different printing systems are available to be integrated. Sensor-sensitive display of control terminal and Siemens programmable logic controllers assure a high level of programmable monitoring and control of machine operation. The machine is equipped of the best components from Europe, such as load cells by Flyntec, pneumatic by Festo, and control electronics are used for production. We export to Germany, Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Slovak Republic, Romania, Moldova, Kazakhstan, Georgia, Belarus, etc. We keep delivering our products on time, offering remote connection and often keep in touch with our customers. We have 20 years experience in weighing and dosing solutions tailored to meet customers' needs. Production is located in Ukraine, Lviv, eastern part of Europe, which allows us to quickly deliver products. We are not only manufacturer and supplier, but also a reliable partner.